Hi, my name is Liz Day, and I'm here to talk about promoting your property's cleaning policies. It's clear that we're entering a time in which cleanliness is as important of a decision-making factor as price or star rating when booking an accommodation. As states emerge from lockdown and guests begin to travel again, hygiene is going to be on the agenda like never before. They will need to be reassured that your business is safe and clean before they book. So you need to make sure you're putting these details front and center if you want to capitalize on recovering demand. If you haven't reviewed your cleaning policies yet, now is the time. Here's how we recommend promoting these important details. Number one, use a dedicated landing page. Once you have your policy in place, a simple way to get your message in front of potential guests is to set up a dedicated page on your website. Keep your content simple, well-structured, and reassuring in tone. Number two, showcase your cleanliness ratings and awards. Another quick and easy way to reassure guests of your hygiene standards is to take your cleanliness ratings from your online listings, including OTAs, to display them prominently on your website. Potential bookers care what other guests have to say as much as they care about your official policies. Number three, create a short video. Consider a short video that demonstrates the measures you're putting in place. Video has the advantage of being easily shareable on multiple platforms and is likely to see higher engagement too. Don't worry if you don't have the resources. Text over images may be well enough to get your key messages across. And number four, send an email campaign. To ensure your most loyal guests know what your cleaning policies are as soon as possible, it's always beneficial to send an email. For those that need a starting point, there are several larger chains that have published their own standard. The best place to start, though, is with the WHO's resource guide. This gives you a list of the equipment you are recommended to have in place, suggestions for how to implement social distancing and respond to guests who develop symptoms, and of course, recommendations for cleaning practices and staff hygiene. To recap, if you haven't reviewed your cleaning policies yet, now is the time. Make sure you're putting your cleaning procedures front and center to capitalize on recovering demand. Keep your content simple, well-structured, and reassuring in tone. If you need guidance developing or promoting your cleaning policies, please reach out to me. Thank you, and we'll see you next week.